And they wrap Good Humor moving up, Knockout Babe, Tiger Wood, Preciosa moving a party outside, Tell Me No Lies, the running by the rail, then comes Dancing Storms, On Your Knees, and San Marino is the early trailer. As they leave the straight and going to 3/4 mile pole, Knockout Babe this time by about a length and a half, running in second, Tiger Wood moving a party outside, Good Humor, then followed now by entry number 5, Tell Me No Lies, On Your Knees, sneaking in down on the inside, Preciosa is sorry outside, Dancing Storms running second last, and trailing the group is San Marino, heading towards the last 900. Knockout Babe regains the lead from Good Humor, running in third is entry number 6, Tiger Wood, moving up now on the outside, Preciosa. Dancing Storms is slowly but surely inching in past the last 600. Knockout Babe still leading the field. Preciosa now in second and moving up by the release. Dancing Storms as they turn towards the final 450. It's still Knockout Babe leading the field. Dancing Storms throwing a challenge now on the outside. Preciosa drops back in third, Tiger Wood. As they come up towards the last 200, it's still Knockout Babe leading the field. Dancing Storms pushing hard on the outside and almost catching the lead. Knockout Babe, Dancing Storms throwing a challenge on the outside. Now we have Dancing Storms moves up over Knockout Babe, and finally Dancing Storms. Knockout Babe, Preciosa close with Tiger Wood, and Good Humor for your Pentapecta.
Okay.